Hello family, I'm the Bit Hunter. Before April 6th, 2024, I released a video teaching everyone how to mine ORB on the Solana blockchain. The response was very good, and many families followed the tutorial and found Orville's first mine. But many friends still encounter various problems. For example, many people encounter problems with installing the Solana development environment, mainly due to network issues. I also tried to help a few VIP members solve it, but some just can't solve this network issue no matter what method they use. Some family members also bought a VPS online, but don't know how to use it. Additionally, some family members experience less than ideal rapid responses. Been digging for a long time, can't find a block. Also, even if mined, one wouldn't know how to withdraw or check the wallet for the amount of no coin. To solve these problems, in the past few days, the Crypto Hunter hasn't been idle, focusing on researching various solutions for everyone. After my relentless efforts, I finally found a set of effective ultimate solutions. Here, let me give you a detailed introduction on how to solve these problems. First of all, Bitly people have optimized the latest mining software for Windows and Linux platforms based on the official mining software. Just use the mining script I provide to start mining without the hassle of a complex mining setup. If you want to claim this mining software and a mining script, you can join our Bit Hunters Telegram group to claim it. The group link is in the video description below. All you have to do is send OR in the group chat, and you're registered successfully. Robots will automatically pop up the latest mining tutorial for Orbi, and a very convenient mining script. The latest mining software has been experienced by VIP members for 1 day, and the effect is very good. All mining Orbit. So, if you want to use these optimized mining scripts by Bit Hunters in advance, feel free to join our VIP members. Be the first to grasp mining and issuing currency news. The membership fee is 100 USDT per year. Membership benefits mainly include the following aspects. First is the alert for mining information via email. VIP members don't need to constantly check group messages or look everywhere for new coin information. Just turn on the email notification feature on your phone, and you'll receive Bit Hunter's top box and Fakai coin information in real time. Becoming an effortless and enjoyable task. No need to worry about missing out on investing in certain coins anymore. Even more so, you will regret endlessly. Second is to personally guide you in mining the first block. In many cases, even if you know the mining information, you may miss out on the high returns of mining due to not knowing how to use the wallet, how to configure the mining software, and other issues. Watching others earn a fortune without being able to do anything. But I myself am at a loss. So Bitcoiners will come out when the header appears. Compile the wallet and mining software in no time, and set up the wallet synchronization script and mining script, letting you enjoy the benefits of mining right away. The key to snagging the first basket is speed, so Bit Hunter gets you ahead of everyone, right from the starting line of mining. Third, providing tutorials on petting cats and airdrop hunting, and urge members to interact with cats daily. History has shown that Web3 applications will give users a big batch of short positions to enhance their own popularity. The most important thing about being an airspace leader is not having a large amount of capital, but the value of persistence. Bit Hunters often remind members to interact with various projects, to ensure that members don't miss any opportunity that might make them rich overnight. Fourth, it provides you with the Bit Hunter Treasure Box website. Here you'll find all the latest information on crypto mining, downloads for various mining tools, and scripts and tools developed by Bit Hunter to enhance mining profits. Becoming a great helper in your mining venture, even if you're not a VIP member, it's okay. Here, we'll guide you through how to use this latest mining software, step by step. Firstly, as the saying goes, to do a good job, one must first sharpen one's tools. Due to network issues, many families' devices are restricted when accessing Solana's nodes. So here it's recommended that everyone use VPS Wire, this Orbit. I recommend everyone to use the VPS from Redbird in the United States, mainly because their VPS is affordable. The cheapest machine costs $10 billion a year, and it's an IP address from the United States. Connecting to Solana nodes is very stable. The fee here is much lower than what others charge for a month, making it a great deal. Many friends in the group have bought VPS from this company, but because they don't know how to set it up, not installing the Ubuntu system has caused a lot of trouble for YRB. Here, I will personally teach everyone how to purchase RedNet's VPN. We have arrived at the Red Nerd official website. I'll put the link below the video. If you haven't used it before, you need to register a new account. Click the My Account button in the top right corner, then click the Register button. You don't need to use your real name for this website, so personal information can just be filled in haphazardly. Just fill in a name for now. Here, make sure to fill in your actual email address because you'll receive registration information later. Then just fill in any 10-digit number for the mobile phone, and you can fill in any address below. Next, enter the password and fill in the verification code. Finally, click the register button to register. Click the pink notice board above to enter the New Year's event page. There are 4 price tiers of VPS to choose from. $11.49 per pound at the lowest. The highest is $37.38 per year. It is recommended to purchase the 2 and 4 gigabytes for $37.38 per year. On one hand, you can run multiple instances. On the other, you can operate fewer. It can also be used for mining later. After clicking the purchase button, you enter the order interface, where you can choose the memory and CPU count. Then, it's recommended to choose an IP address close to us, preferably on the west coast of the US. One is San Jose, and the other is Los Angeles. Here, I choose San Jose. Finally, for the operating system selection, you must choose Open222. If you don't go for Open222, mining will bring a lot of trouble. After selecting, we click the Continue button, here again to check the parameters of the machine you bought. If everything is okay, then click the Checkout button to enter the payment area. One reason I recommend the RackNerd website is because it offers very flexible payment options. You can choose a credit card, use Alipay, or even cryptocurrencies for payment. After payment, you will receive an email from RackNerd with the IP address and user code of the VPS you just purchased. With this information, we can access the newly purchased VPS to mine. If you can't find this email, you can click the button here. Then choose the email history menu. It will also show the email sent to you. Click the loading information menu to see your IP address and username. Password information obtained. To access this VPS, we need to download an Xshell client. Let's go to the Xshell official website. The website link will also be placed below the video. Click the download button to enter the download page, then select the free version button. Download both of these programs. Once downloaded, you can use them. After setting up, click Start Installation. First, set your username and email. After setting up, click the Submit button, and then the registration information will be sent to your email. Open the email sent by Xshell Company. Click the registration link, and you can use the Xshell software for free. Then, go to the Xshell client. Click the New button in the top left corner, enter the IP address of the VPS you just bought, and click OK. Here, a VPS login shortcut will be generated. Double-click to open, and follow the prompts to enter the username and address. After setting up the mining environment on the newly purchased VPS's Ubuntu system, you can use our latest mining software. This software comes in versions for Windows and Linux. Here, I'll demonstrate with the Linux version, because the latest mining software requires access to the wallet private key and RPC nodes. How to get a free RPC node has been introduced in my previous tutorial, Solana Practice Orbi One-Click Mining Caregiver tutorial. If you're interested, you can go back and watch it. In today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to mine Orbit using a free RPC node. Also, many family members don't know how to use a Solana chain wallet, or how to obtain their own wallet private key. So here, I will demonstrate how to use a Solana wallet. First, you need to download the shadow wallet of the Solana chain. We go to the overseas version of the Apple or Google App Store, search for the Phantom wallet, and find it there. Then click to install. After installation, open the wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can choose to import it. If not, click to create a wallet, and then a mnemonic will be generated. Make sure to click into it. Save it for future wallet recovery. After saving, click the Confirm button here. The wallet is now set up. Currently, we have only created a new wallet. How do we import our previous mining wallet? If you're mining as per our previous video tutorial, just come to our previous mining machine, whether it's Linux or the WSL subsystem. In this directory, under config Solana, there will be a file named i.gsoinconfig. When we open this i.json file with the Vim program, a long string of numbers with brackets will be displayed. Copy the string of numbers, and then find a way to transfer it to the phone where the Phantom wallet is installed, like using the file transfer feature of WeChat, or by sending an email. First, click on the gear icon in the top left corner of the mobile wallet to go to the wallet settings screen, and select the Manage Accounts menu to enter.
Click on the plus sign at the upper right corner, or go to the Add Wallet interface, and then select the Import Private Key button to import your wallet.
First, enter the wallet import interface and set a wallet name you can recognize, then import your Telegram private key here. Note that Solana's wallet private keys have many issues. Here, it's crucial to import that string with the big braces, emphasizing the string again. Be sure to paste it together with the 2 curly braces. For the sake of demonstration, I've only entered curly braces with 2 numbers. You must import the string inside the completed ID JSON and then click the Import button to see your wallet's balance. If you have Orbit in your wallet, it will automatically show up. Wallet created. Next, we need to export our wallet's private key for mining. There is another point to note here. The exported wallet private key format is different from the imported one just now. It's no longer the numeric string in the brackets of the bag. When we click the down arrow button on the top of our mobile wallet, enter the account interface, then click this little pen button on the right side of the wallet you want to export. Make sure to click it precisely. We'll enter another interface. After clicking this small pen button, a menu pops up with an option to show private key. Click to enter. Then select the Solana chain. This will display the private key of your wallet. Save this silk key for later use in mining. With the wallet address, you can start mining. I've prepared a mining script for you, available for both Linux and Windows. Let's take a look at the Windows one-click mining script, which contains 5 files, including the main program and mining script, query unclaimed token scripts, and wallet token balance scripts. Let's open the mining script to take a look, then query the script. You just need to change your own RPC node and wallet theme. Be aware that this private key is the one we exported from the Solana Phantom wallet earlier. Definitely do not use the private key from the JSON of that ID. Then save the settings, and you can mine with one click. The way to modify the other 3 files is the same. Everyone just follow it to change your own RPC node and wallet private key. If you've bought the Open2 device introduced in our previous video, you can open the Open2 device like me, using Xshell. Then use the command nkdir all to create a folder named all, and then use cd all to enter the folder. After entering, click the green XFTP button on top to open the XFTP program. You can install Excel, following the method introduced before. Install one, and then transfer the modified Linux version of the mining script into your Open2's or folder. Back in Open2 GT, list all the files in the directory with the ls command. At this time, the color of the file is white, which means it does not have execution permissions. Then, you can use the cd --. command to go back to the previous directory and run the chmod 227772 directory. Grant execution permissions to all files in the directory. Then use the cd all command to return to the directory and list all files with the ls command. At this time, the file color is green, indicating all have execution permission. Everything is ready. We can start mining. First, execute the command written to mine, sh, to start mining. Dig for a while, then use the command /reward.sh to see if you have mined anything. Here, we can see we have mined 0.008. Finally, we use the /command claim.sh to claim mining rewards. If the claim is successful, you will see the Orb you mined in your wallet. Alright, that's all for today's latest Orb mining tutorial. It serves many purposes. It took me 2 days to finish, mainly wanting to use this video to solve all the problems encountered by the family, hoping it can help you. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe to the BitHunter YouTube channel and join our Telegram group. Your support and recognition are the only motivations for my tireless creation.